Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 GPT tools that every hacker should know about. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these tools will definitely up your game. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can generate code, write text, create images, and even spin up chatbots. These aren't just gimmicks, they're powerful tools that can give you a serious edge in the hacking world. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the cutting edge of AI and how you can leverage these GPT tools to enhance your hacking skills. Let's get started. First up, we gotta start with the OG itself, GPT-3. This language model is like the granddaddy of AI-powered text generation, and it's insanely powerful. For hackers, GPT-3 is like having a coding buddy who's always got your back. Need a snippet of Python code to automate a task? GPT-3 can whip it up in seconds. Want to craft a convincing phishing email? GPT-3 can help you write one that's practically Shakespearean. But it's not just about generating text. GPT-3 can also analyze code for vulnerabilities, reverse engineer software, and even create malware. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of hacking tools, all powered by AI. Now, GPT-3 does have its limitations. It can sometimes generate biased or inaccurate information, so it's important to double-check its output. But overall, GPT-3 is an incredibly versatile tool that every hacker should have in their arsenal. Next up, let's talk about Codex, GPT-3's cooler, code-savvy cousin. Imagine describing a program you want to build, but instead of writing code, you just talk. That's Codex in a nutshell. It translates natural language into code. Need a Python script to scrape data? Just tell Codex, and it'll generate the code. This is a game changer for hackers. Focus on logic, not syntax. It's like having a superpower. Codex helps understand code bases, find vulnerabilities, and write exploits. It's like having an AI-powered hacking mentor. Codex has the potential to revolutionize coding. Codex is definitely worth checking out. Now let's move on to ChatGPT, the master of conversation. This AI-powered chatbot can carry on a conversation that's so natural, you might forget you're not actually talking to a human. For hackers, ChatGPT is like having a social engineering weapon at your fingertips. Imagine creating a chatbot that can engage in realistic conversations with your targets. That's the power of ChatGPT. It can build rapport, establish trust, and exploit weaknesses. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. ChatGPT can be used for malicious purposes, so it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. Chapter 4. DALL-E. Painting pictures of deception. Moving on to the more visual side of things, we have DALL-E. This AI can generate images from text descriptions, and it's pretty mind-blowing. Imagine typing in a cat wearing a tiny hat riding a unicorn and having DALL-E create a photorealistic image of it. Yeah, it's that wild. Imagine using DALL-E to create fake profile pictures for social engineering campaigns or even create deepfakes to spread disinformation. DALL-E's ability to create unique, never-before-seen images opens up a whole new world of possibilities for hackers. It's important to be aware of the potential for misuse and to use this technology responsibly. In the right hands, it can be used to create art, tell stories, and push the boundaries of creativity. Chapter 5. OpenAI API. Your gateway to custom AI tools. The OpenAI API is the secret sauce that ties all these GPT tools together. It lets developers integrate OpenAI's powerful AI models into their applications. For hackers, it's a playground for building custom tools. Imagine creating an AI-powered phishing email generator or a chatbot for social engineering. The OpenAI API gives you direct access to GPT-3 and other models. You can fine-tune these models, customize their behavior, and integrate them into your workflows. OpenAI has made it easy to get started, even for beginners. Chapter 6. GPT-2, the text generating machine. Now, let's take a step back in time and talk about GPT-2, the predecessor to GPT-3. While it might not be as powerful as its successor, GPT-2 is still a force to be reckoned with when it comes to text generation. Think of GPT-2 as the OG text-generating machine. It's like having a typewriter on steroids, capable of churning out human-quality text on a wide range of topics. For hackers, GPT-2 can be used for a variety of tasks, such as generating phishing emails, creating fake news articles, or even impersonating real people online. While GPT-2 might not be as sophisticated as GPT-3, it's still a valuable tool for hackers who need to generate large amounts of text quickly and easily. And because it's an older model, it's often more accessible and affordable than its newer counterparts. So, if you're looking for a simple, effective way to generate human-quality text, GPT-2 is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 7. GPT-3 Sandbox, your AI testing ground. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of GPT-3, you need a safe place to experiment and test its limits. That's where the GPT-3 Sandbox comes in. Think of it as your own personal AI playground, where you can tinker with different prompts, fine-tune parameters, and explore the full range of GPT-3's capabilities without breaking anything or getting into trouble. The GPT-3 Sandbox gives you a controlled environment to experiment with different prompts, adjust the model's temperature, which controls the creativity of its output, and even set up custom stop sequences to prevent the model from going off on tangents. This is crucial for hackers because it allows you to fine-tune GPT-3's output to your specific needs. So, before you unleash the full power of GPT-3 on your next hacking project, spend some time in the sandbox. Now, let's step into the world of interactive storytelling with AI Dungeon. This AI-powered game lets you create your own adventures, complete with branching narratives, dynamic characters, and endless possibilities. Now you might be thinking, what does a text-based adventure game have to do with hacking? Well, AI Dungeon is all about using language to shape reality, which is a skill that's incredibly valuable for hackers. Think of AI Dungeon as a training ground for your social engineering skills. By interacting with the game's AI-powered characters, you can practice your persuasion, deception, and manipulation techniques in a safe and controlled environment. But AI Dungeon is more than just a game. It's a powerful tool for exploring the limits of language and understanding how AI can be used to create immersive, interactive experiences. So, if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to level up your social engineering game, AI Dungeon is definitely worth checking out. Now, if you're looking for a more user-friendly way to interact with GPT-3, the GPT-3 Playground is the place to be. Think of it as a simplified version of the GPT-3 Sandbox, with a more intuitive interface and a focus on creative writing and experimentation. The GPT-3 Playground makes it easy to experiment with different prompts, adjust the model's parameters, and see the results in real time. It's a great way to get a feel for GPT-3's capabilities and start generating your own AI-powered content. For hackers, the GPT-3 Playground can be a valuable tool for crafting phishing emails, generating fake news articles, or even creating believable social media posts. It's like having a team of creative writers at your disposal, ready to bring your most devious ideas to life. But the GPT-3 Playground is more than just a writing tool. So, if you're looking for a user-friendly way to explore the power of GPT-3, the GPT-3 Playground is a great place to start. Finally, we come to GPT-3 fine-tuning, the ultimate level of control over this powerful AI model. Imagine taking all that raw GPT-3 power and molding it to your specific needs, like training a digital apprentice to think and act exactly how you want. Fine-tuning is like taking a generic GPT-3 model and teaching it to specialize in a particular area. Want an AI that's an expert at writing phishing emails tailored to a specific industry? Need a model that can generate code in a specific programming language with a particular coding style? That's where fine-tuning comes in. This level of customization is a game changer for hackers because it allows you to create AI tools that are perfectly tailored to your unique attack vectors. It's like having a team of AI engineers working around the clock to build custom tools that perfectly match your hacking style. So, if you're serious about taking your hacking skills to the next level and you're not afraid of getting your hands dirty with some code, GPT-3 fine-tuning is the ultimate frontier. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of GPT-3 and creating truly custom AI-powered hacking tools. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Let us know in the comments which GPT tool you're most excited to try out. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of GPT-3 to the intricacies of fine-tuning. But this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential of AI-powered hacking tools. See you in the next video.